All right. So our project idea is the drawbridge by Rafael Castillo, myself, Hugo Sanchez, and Kylie T.
So our idea for this project is a two-part drawbridge like the one you see in the picture to the left. The two sides of the bridge ideally will raise and lower with the use of rotational step motors with a string attached to the end of each part of the bridge, kind of acting as a winch on the bridge. And an ultrasonic sensor will activate these motors when a boat approaches within a specific distance. And with the sensor will also activate barricades at the end of each of the bridge parts that raise and lower through the use of servo motors, and will also cause LEDs to kind of act as stoplights on the bridge. And then once a set amount of time has passed, the bridge will lower and return to its original position until the ultrasonic sensor is triggered again.
So a list of components we need in order to complete our project. We will start off by 3D printing the bridge supports, the bridge itself, and the barricades that will come up.
In order to perform the operations of the bridge, we'll need 2 stepper motors and 2 servo motors, as well as an ultrasonic sensor, which will trigger the whole system. Along with that, we'll need LEDs, a breadboard, jumper wires, and some string.
For the project plan, our first step is going to start researching for a basic bridge design and create a rough sketch of the bridge. Using CAD software, we'll create a design for the bridge and the supports and the barricades. We'll begin by the 3D printing process for our final CAD design. Once all parts have been printed, we'll start our assembly of the bridge. We'll begin wiring the electrical components, including the stepper motor, the servo motor, the ultrasonic sensor, and the LEDs. Using Arduino IDE, we'll write a code that will activate the motors to raise the bridge and the barricades. The code should incorporate an ultrasonic sensor to detect the presence of a boat within a certain range, triggering the motors to activate. Then we'll test the completed project, making any necessary adjustments to the code or mechanical components. Ensure that the bridge raises and lowers smoothly, the barricades raise and lower correctly, and the LEDs light up as expected.